Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply CSS styles to only half of a word or character. This is a really cool effect that can be used to create some interesting text designs. Alright, let's jump right into the code. As you can see on the screen, we have a simple HTML structure with header, footer. Take a look at the header, where we have our page title. This is where the captivating CSS trickery is going to happen.